If you're seeing a network error on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help you get back on the site fast. This is a simple step-by-step troubleshooting guide for anyone who can't load itch.io, can't sign in, or keeps getting blocked by a connection issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, check whether itch.io is actually down. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It can be a temporary outage or maintenance problem on the service itself. Open a new tab and search for the Downdetector itch.io status page. If you see a spike in reports or active outage warnings, then the problem is likely on itch.io's side, and the best option may be to wait a little while and try again later. If the site looks fine and there's no major outage, move on to the next fix. The second thing to do is disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Itch.io can sometimes block or limit connections from data center IP addresses because it helps protect the platform from abuse, DDoS attacks, and fraud. If your VPN is turned on, switch it off completely and reload the site. If you're using a proxy in your browser or on your network, disable that as well. Then try visiting itch.io again with a normal connection. In many cases, that alone solves the network error right away. If you're still getting the issue, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with websites loading properly. If you're using itch.io in a browser, go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cookies and cached files. Make sure you only clear the site data if you want to stay signed in elsewhere, or clear the full cache if you need a more complete reset. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try loading itch.io again. You may also want to test the site in an incognito or private window to see whether the browser data was the problem. If it works there, that's a strong sign that clearing cache and cookies was the right fix. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the itch.io network error, checking for outages, turning off VPNs and proxies, or clearing browser cache. If the problem is still happening, it may be worth trying a different browser or a different network, like switching from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, just to confirm whether the issue is local. Hopefully one of these fixes gets itch.io working again for you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.